Next piece of notes we have is two chords intersect inside a circle. What this means is we have the following formula. Let's first focus on angle 1. So the measure of angle 1 is equal to 1/2 of CB and DB. Well, I'll just highlight this since those are equal. So the measure of angle 1 is equal to 1/2 of arc AD plus the measure of arc CB. Alright, that's for the first part. The measure of angle 1 is equal to 1/2 of the measure of AD plus the measure of CB. Or another formula you could use is 2 times the measure of angle 1 is equal to the measure of AD plus the measure of CB. So those are 2 formulas you can use for that part. Next, what we have here is for angle 2. Let's do it down here. The measure of angle 2 is equal to 1/2 of the measure of DC plus the measure of AB. Just like the other problem, or we can have it as 2 times the measure of angle 1 is equal to the measure of DC plus the measure of AB. So those are our 2 definitions for it. If we just were to put numbers, 3, 4, what we know right away is angle 4 is congruent to angle 1, and angle 3 is congruent to angle 2. We know that because of vertical angles. And then our linear pairs would be this. Measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2 equals 180. Then we have the measure of angle 2 plus the measure of angle 4 equals 180. Then we have measure of angle 4 plus the measure of angle 3 equals 180. And lastly, we have the measure of angle 3 plus the measure of angle 1 equals 180. Okay, and that's the basics for 2 chords intersecting inside a circle.